This is week 2, and what we're gonna do this week is going to get one perfect curl. Start with a small section. Make sure your thumb is over the light. You enter, making sure you can see the light. Make sure your thumb is up over the piece of hair. We're going to rotate the iron back, then throw the hair over, and then start traveling forward towards the mirror. Okay, you're gonna go till the end of the piece and then let go wherever you're comfortable and get one perfect curl. Now we're going to do a perfect curl on the left side. We're going to take a small section, pull it forward. You're gonna come up over the piece of hair, making sure you have your thumb behind the light, close and rotate the iron, and then travel forward towards the mirror. When you get to the end, make sure you catch and twirl the piece to set your curl in up high. One perfect curl on both sides, and then you can get anything you want from there.